Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Salam and you are watching my YouTube channel Reality Based Important Information. Today I will tell you about that how to find out the difference between two things. For example, if I want the difference between the American Republican Party and the American Democratic Party, then what is the procedure of finding the difference between these two parties? So first of all, you have to click on this Google, and here you have to write Diffen, DIFFEN. You have to write Diffen here, and then you have to click on search button, and then you have to click on this Diffen website, and here you can write different. You can write here the Republican Party, and here you can write the Democratic Party, and this difference will provide the total difference between a Republican Party and Democratic Party of America. If I try here Democratic Party and I write here Republican Party and then click on this go, so this is the difference between Republican Party and Democratic Party of America. This Diffen provides me the total difference between Republican and Democratic Party on the basis of philosophy, their economic ideas, the economic ideas of Democratic and Republican Party, their social and human ideas, the difference on the basis of their stance and military issues, the difference between these two parties on the basis of stance on gay marriage, the difference between these two parties on the basis of stance on abortion, on the basis of stance on death penalty, on the basis of stance on taxes. So this is the whole difference between the Democratic Party and Republican Party. And if I want the difference between house and home, these are two similar terms. Almost all people consider them the same, but what is the difference between home and house? Home and house. I will write here home and here house, then I will click on this go. So this is the difference between home and house. Here a home is a place of residence or refuge. It is usually a place in which an individual or a family can rest, and a house is a home, building or structure that is a dwelling or place of habitation by human beings. So this is the difference between home and house, and this difference also provides me the difference between all two words. For example, if I want the difference between weather and weather, this weather, WHETHER, the first one is WEATHER and the second one is WHETHER. These are the two words in which many people are confused that what is the meaning of weather, WEATHER, and what is the meaning of weather. If you are also confused, then you can search here in this different weather. You have to write here weather and you have to write here the other weather. So then you have to click on this go, then different will provide the difference between weather and weather. This is the difference between WEATHER weather and the WHETHER weather. The first one is weather includes sunshine, rain, cover clouds, and the second one is we also can say that weather is similar or synonyms to if, like we use in sentences, if you do this. We can also use in the same sentence that whether you do this. So whether WHETHER is the meaning of or is it is the synonym of if, and the first weather, weather, weather is the season, the weather. uh, so this different provides a difference between two things. You can if you want comparison between two things, if you want comparison between two words, then you can easily find out through this different website. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that you will like this video, and it is requested to subscribe this channel for you will receive any notification whenever I upload a next video. Thank